Hello and welcome to Shanghai. I'm joined by Mandeleil, founder of hack.ether.camp, and behind us you have the world-famous Pudong skyline. So Roman, let's start with the obvious question. Why are we here in Shanghai?
Yeah, hey Steve. So it's quite amazing how we got into Shanghai, but actually 1 week after the competition started, we got some interesting invites from persons in Shanghai that I will not reveal the names, and it drag us into this small tour over a couple of Shanghai cities, of China cities. So yeah, we got very interesting meetings here in China.
Indeed we have. We are 3 weeks into the hackathon. I was just wondering, what are your thoughts on what's been happening so far?
Yeah, so it's really exciting because we're starting to see this real social interaction around innovative ideas. We see real interesting discussions. We see the option of actually ask funders to support projects through the strength of the smart contracts, through the power of smart contracts, and this is very exciting.
And what has surprised you so far in the competition? Anything caught your eye?
Surprised. Well, I think the number of interesting projects. We have 60 of them, and we are in constant interaction with them. I think we see some creativity here. I think the creativity is also always interesting, but this time it's really surprising how interesting it is.
And with under 2 weeks to go, what do you expect to see moving forward?
Yeah, well, the projects study the platform, the projects building their own stuff. And we are a stage, right? So we are giving people the opportunity to show their stuff to other people, to their early adopters. So this is what we want to see. We want to see prototypes with better experience. We want to see presentations that actually explains what people want to do. And yeah, let them to talk now.
And I've been surprised that, I guess, rightly so, no judges have voted yet, and obviously the judges hold 1,000 votes, so we could see major shifts in the scoreboard moving forward when the judges actually get involved. And finally,
the competition is completely open. The competition is completely open. I think we ask judges not to give their votes too early because you need to study and see all the projects, and I think the last 2 weeks is going to be very dramatic.
And I guess finally, having seen what's been going on in the competition so far, and obviously you're planning on holding more hackathons, have you had any thoughts on how the next hackathons might change, how they might evolve?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So first of all, we need better localization. We need to provide better experience for Japanese, Chinese, and Indian people. So we actually need to translate the platform and to make this talking to them in their own language. We've been explicitly asking about this. And we obviously are going to do this because we want all the developers from all over the world interact with each other on the platform. Second, and maybe also very important, we provide today one smart contract to interact between the projects and the bakers. I think we need to provide a better experience. We need to provide more options because the engagement between project and their funders can be different, can be parameterized. Can be very different actually from one to another. So this is what we need to do. We need to provide much more options for projects to deploy their value tokenization and to ask people to participate with them. But this is something that we're obviously going to deploy on the next hackathons.
I think it's been, I thought it was exciting really to watch DST being formed, watching that kind of graphic as you kind of get to see it initialized and everything. I thought that was great work. And yeah, I think if you can do more of that for people, it makes it codifying a way, gamifying, I guess, a way for people to initialize their tokens. I thought it was really excellent work. So well done. Thank you very much for your time. And I'll hopefully catch you for a quick interview before the end of the hackathon, maybe in London or somewhere else around the globe, wherever you're globe trotting to. Thanks again, Roman.
Yeah,
Cheers.
Thank you.